I love avocados and I love pasta.
Hi friends, thanks for coming back. Gina and I are excited to do another recipe with you guys today. We are testing a recipe with avocados. It's their peak season and we're always looking to do something else different with it besides avocado toast. So we found a great recipe that uses avocado in pasta sauce instead of a cream sauce. You know, the creaminess of the avocados mixed in with some yummy lemon juice is going to create a really great sauce to coat these noodles, or so they say. So Gina and I are testing this in two different kitchens today, like we normally do. We do it 2 times for you guys because we want to show you that sometimes you can follow the same recipe but get different results. And make sure you stay tuned to see what it really tastes like. We'll let you guys know if this is a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So let's get started.
So I think this recipe is super easy. So we've got our pasta noodles going right here. And then time for the sauce. And in the sauce, you'll need a food processor or a blender. And there's just 5 ingredients. So we're gonna add our olive oil, lemon juice, 1 smashed garlic, some scallion, avocados. So you want 2 whole avocados. I think that's it. And then we're gonna blend it for just a couple minutes, and then after we blend it, we're going to take about a 1/4 cup of reserved water from the pasta, and then we're gonna add it to the blender to finish it off, to thin it out a little bit and meld all the delicious flavors together. And Catherine, whenever a recipe says to save some of the pasta water, I always forget. So now I grab a coffee mug and I put it right by the pot. So this is like a reminder to me that I need some of this water.
A good tip. Watch, I'll forget and you'll go, where's your pasta water? And I'm gonna go,
your
oh shoot.
All right, I think that's all of it. Okay, we just drained our pasta and I remembered to save some of the water to add to the sauce. It is creamy, and you know me, like I always root for a healthier alternative, so I really hope it's good.
You know when recipes don't tell you exactly how much salt and pepper to put in? I never know how much I'm supposed to put in.
I know, it's like, just tell me! Okay, the time has come to taste it. But Catherine, first, I want to think about just to take it all in because I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's like I love avocados and I love pasta, but the two together.
Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty.
It is pretty. It's kind of like a.
It's like a pesto.
Pesto. Thank you.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I like pesto in my pasta, but you know I feel like it's different because it's got cheese and it's nutty, and this is straight up avocado. So.
All right. Let's just
only way to
dive in.
know is we test this out. But take a big bite.
Man, I just keep eating parsley. Tip, do not put too much garnish on the pasta. Ease.
Okay, so the ease. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. 5. So easy. I mean, it's pasta.
Yeah. That's like basic ingredients. Throw it in a blender, easy peasy. Win. All right, on taste. Love it or dispose it.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Okay.
Same.
Yeah.
I liked it.
I wasn't sure. I'm like, is it a 3? Is it a 4?
Oh. I liked it when I added more salt to it, so I think it might be a good like side pasta. If that makes sense.
Okay, I just put more salt in mine. Let me see if I like it as much as you do.
Is it better?
It's really healthy tasting, for sure. I don't think I could eat this as a whole meal. And like you said, this would be like a good companion to maybe some grilled shrimp or a grilled chicken breast, right?
You think it'd be better with Parmesan on top? Cheese is always better.
Yeah.
Just taste alone, I think it is good. And I do love that I have no guilt eating it because of the healthy fats that are in it. It's good for you, so Just another way to get more good avocado in your belly.
I did have mixed reviews, so that was good enough reason too. I told Gina, I go, either we're gonna love this or we're going to hate it.
So hopefully this will make you curious enough to try it in your own kitchen. Maybe you'll give it a 3, maybe you'll give it a 5. But either way, we're glad you joined us this week, and we hope that you'll come back and check out our next recipes the following weeks. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you like our video as well as subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.